Welcome to the comprehensive course on Information Technology Business Marketing Fundamentals. In this course, we will explore various aspects of marketing strategies specifically tailored for the IT industry. From understanding your target audience and conducting market research to establishing a strong brand identity and implementing data-driven marketing techniques, we will delve into real-life examples to provide practical insights and guidance. Whether you are a technology startup, an IT service provider, or an established software company, this course will equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to effectively market your IT business. We will cover topics such as identifying your target audience, developing a unique selling proposition, creating a strong brand identity, and utilizing the marketing mix to design and implement effective strategies. Additionally, we will delve into integrated marketing communications, customer relationship management, data-driven marketing, customer segmentation, thought leadership, social media marketing, industry partnerships, online presence optimization, client retention, reputation management, IT case studies, industry events, educational initiatives, and much more. Each module will provide valuable insights, real-life examples, and practical tips to help you navigate the dynamic IT industry and successfully market your business. By the end of this course, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the marketing strategies and techniques that can drive success in the technology business landscape. So, get ready to explore the fascinating world of technology business marketing and unlock the potential to attract clients, build strong relationships, and achieve your business goals. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. To access the course, click on the link in the description or the pinned first comment.